it's Miss Markets by Pearl. Today we will unbox a parcel that we received from Shopee. And now let's start.
Ganda lagi. Pero yung box, huwag ayos magbukas.
Okay. And now, this is my favorite toy. Guys, look.
So what's inside?
This is the truck.
So what truck is this?
And this is the lithium battery. And
May battery naman palang kasama guys, oh.
this.
Battery ng kasama.
Now,
Meron siyang controller guys, oh.
now guys, that's all. That's okay.
Ayun guys, so kailangan may kayo, Phillips screw. Kaya magbukasan siya?
So guys, let's put the lithium battery. Huh? May battery na pala din.
Sige, try mo na lang muna yan. Kala namin guys, walang battery. May pala siya. Dalawa lang, kailangan. Muna. Ayan. Set pala siya ng ganyan.
And let's put it back.
So, ayan. Ito daw guys. Saan naman yung isa?
Now, this... Ako.
Ayun pala pambukas na.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Ano pala, no? Kaya mo na yun eh. You can do it eh. Even a kid can do it, diba? Kung maiwawala yun ha. Nakater yan siya. Lapag mo sa ano. Baliktad. Ito yung dapat nakatama sa ano. Tapos mo agad. Sige. Ito yung masarap yun.
Ako nga. So guys, maganda man din yung laruan. Charge ko ulit kasi low-bat na ito kasi kulay red pa nito eh.
Yung lithium battery guys, ito, kailangan nyo i-charge to, di ba? 3 hours bago nyo ilagay dyan pala. Para sure na umandar. So, okay naman yung ganun lang, charge nyo lang. Okay naman. Guys. Galing. Okay siya. Ayan. Kunin mo natin. Kunin mo na.